Welcome to DIYware's online presentation. My name's Ava. I'm one of the partners of DIYware. I hope this presentation will give you some ideas about us, how you can leverage our product advantage for your business success. Who is DIYware? We are an eyewear manufacturer committed to build a better world, one frame at a time. We help our customers grow successful business with exceptional products, enrich the lives of our team member, and bring lasting value and potential to our communities. Here is some basic information about DIYware. DIYware is founded in 2005. We are registered in Hong Kong with factory in Shenzhen and Vietnam. At the moment, we have more than 350 workers. Our maximum capacity is 120,000 frames a month. Our major customers are from Europe, the US, and Japan. We manufacture optical frames, sunglasses, and reading glasses. We make glasses in materials such as acetate, metal, titanium, and injection. Our factory has been audited by major brands and chain stores. We are also ISCC Plus certified. Now, I would like to explain to you how you can make use of our competitive advantages for your business success. Our number one advantage is our finishing. Our products are visually different from the rest of the mass market because we implement many of our unique executions we develop for premium brands. This is an absolute advantage that some eyewear companies overlook. For brands who wanted to stand out from the crowd, this is something could be done easily working with us. Next, competitive advantage is our investment in innovation. Our R&D team works closely with our suppliers and machinery developer for the latest technology in manufacturing, materials, and processing. One of our biggest success is the development of diamond cut acetate process. It works perfectly with the latest trend of clear acetate front and subtly enhance the image of a brand as a premium quality product. Competitive advantages I want to discuss is our services. We have offices in Canada and in China, which we cover all time zones. We communicate with our customers closely and we love creating best-selling products together. No matter you're in design, product development, or delivery, we have your back and you can focus on the most important task. To introduce to you two interesting projects as case studies. We've helped our customers to develop a simple concept to a successful Shark Tank project. They came to us with an idea of reading glasses snappable to the wrist. We made it happen from designing to engineering and then to manufacturing. This new invention also brought them 5 different design awards all over the world, and they sell very well online. Fact is that we combine an existing technology to our customers' brand concept. We see an opportunity in the colors and pattern design of the brand and introduce acetate clip-on the collection. I have some questions for you. What are your biggest concerns when buying sunglasses and eyewear products? How often do you launch new styles? How many styles you launch a year? Do you have designers working on your new development? What testing standard do you require? Do you offer sustainable eyewear products? Is there any corporate requirement to become your suppliers? Is there anything missing in your collection which we can help? Lastly, I would like to include a testimonial from one of my customers. You can see how they can benefit from working with us, and I hope we can bring the same value to your business success. I hope this presentation gives you some ideas about us, and I can't wait to learn more about you, your company, and your plan to grow your brands. I invite you to an online meeting. Please email us and let us know the best time and method to meet online. Thank you very much for your time, and I look forward to seeing you. Bye.